Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. I am your host Carter, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to live off your dividends and pretty much what you must know really about dividend investing. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and overall I hope you guys get something of value out of this video. And with the channel, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and if you guys want to learn more about investing in the market, check out my course and you guys can pretty much learn how to properly invest in the stock market. We talk about fundamental, technical investing, we talk about REITs, dividends, taxes. Honestly, we talk about it all, and you guys can use promo code DIVIDENDS to get 50% off. So at least check it out. It'll be the first link down below. So now guys, roll the intro, let's go. Bam! So now before we talk about how to live off dividends, first, what is a dividend and why do I honestly love them more than anything? Well, a dividend is pretty much when a company makes so much money, they will pay their investors. Now, that may seem crazy because you get the asset of the stock going up in value, but on top of that, most of the time you can get a quarterly payment every single quarter to your account. Now, what a lot of people do, like myself, is I have a broker that offers DRIP, which is pretty much dividend reinvesting. So the dividends I get automatically go back in to pretty much buy more stock. So then I start this compound effect. Look at the difference between compounding your money and having DRIP and not having DRIP. It's absolutely crazy, and on average you make about 3 to 4% more by doing it. So honestly, it's a no-brainer. Now the second thing you pretty much must know is Dividend Kings and Dividend Aristocrats. You probably have heard them a ton, right? We've seen companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, Lowe's, the companies that you and I know that always pay a dividend and probably will continue to pay a dividend. So the difference between an aristocrat and a king is a king has been paying a dividend more than 50 years and increasing their dividend payout, which in my opinion is a no-brainer investment. I believe every investor, whether you're inexperienced, whether you're new, or whether you're Warren Buffett himself, you guys should have stocks that are Dividend Kings, because these companies, you can count on money coming into your account and cash flow. Not to mention, during a recession, dividend stocks don't get hit as hard because people are more likely to hold a stock that's paying them cash flow than not. Now, a dividend aristocrat is a company that's pretty much paying a dividend for more than 25 years. It's still amazing, but overall, you know, Dividend Kings are a little better just because it's such a long period of time. Dividend aristocrats are just fine too. And now the beauty about dividend investing, like I said, is you guys can start compounding your account really, really fast. But the thing about it is, if let's say you guys don't want to pick and choose individual dividend stocks, they have dividend ETFs, like ticker symbol VIG. This is Vanguard's High Dividend Appreciation ETF. 1, it's outperformed the market. 2, it's been paying a dividend for more than 15 years. 3, it's a more diverse way to invest. So instead of picking and choosing one stock, you're diversified across hundreds of different stocks that pay a solid dividend. So if 1 or 2 are losing value, you still have the other 90 stocks that are absolutely going up, compounding your account, making you money, and it's just amazing. Now, why a lot of people don't like dividend stocks in general is because if you look at a company like Home Depot stock is over $250 and you only get $6 every single year in dividends, which in my opinion is phenomenal because that's an over a 1% yield, and the stock has historically outperformed the market, so you're getting money coming in, you're seeing growth in your account. But why a lot of people don't like dividends is because they look at it and they think that honestly $5 isn't enough. It's going to take too long to live off that money. But the thing about it is, as an investor, you can't look at it day to day. If you do that, you will absolutely sell all of your stock during the next crash. Instead of using a crash as almost like buying stocks on a discount, you guys have to have an outlook of 15 years or more. Now, the average investment portfolio that pays a $50,000 a year in dividends is over $1.2 million with around a 3% yield. Now, in my opinion, that is super achievable. You guys can literally invest, $200 a month over the course of 40 years with a 10% return and have well over $1 million in your account. Plus, if you guys have that $1 million, you're going to be getting dividends from that of around $50,000. So honestly, living off dividends is really achievable. I would recommend for everybody, start an IRA account, max it out, $6,000 every single year, because that's going to be tax-free income. If you guys have a Roth IRA, you guys are going to retire, not pay any taxes. You guys are going to be getting pretty much income of about $50,000, and you guys are going to be depositing $6,000 every year, but have well over $1 million in 40 years with a 10% return. So honestly, living off dividends is super achievable, especially if you guys kind of follow that little outline. It's better to be young, it's better to just be diverse, it's better to be in stocks that are growing and not decreasing in value. Look at Dividend Kings, look at Dividend Aristocrats, and you guys will be just fine, I promise. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and overall I hope you guys got something of value out of the stock in the video. I don't even know. We'll see you later. Take care, everyone. Bam.